What's up everyone? My name is Brandon. I'm here with...
I'm Willow.
And today we're going to be snowboarding in Boreal. Now I'm actually super excited because I've been snowboarding, but I haven't been in like a year or so. And Willow's never been snowboarding. I wouldn't really call myself an expert, but I have been snowboarding before, so I'm going to be teaching her. How do you feel going into this? Are you a little nervous? Are you excited? What are your thoughts?
A little nervous.
A little nervous? It's a beautiful day up here. I think it was beautiful. Now it's kind of cloudy and it's looking like it's gonna snow, but it doesn't matter. We welcome a little snow. We're gonna get all our gear on, hit the slopes. I'm super excited, and we'll see you out there. Board down and ride it out. See, it's not that bad. We'll probably start with you going down just straight forward, so with your board horizontal to where you're going. And you can just kind of practice sitting on your heels so that you know how to stop and you know how to slow yourself down. Once you get comfortable with that, we'll start getting you going like forward. And so just do this. There you go. Stand up and then just immediately like sit on your heels like I'm doing, you see? I'm just leaning back on my heels just a little bit, so that I'm like stopping. Like shift your weight forward and then immediately shift it back. So shift it forward to stand up, and then once you feel yourself stand up, you can like, don't lean back too much, like the opposite of hitting like the gas pedal. So you hit the gas pedal with like that little bit of touch. Just do that the opposite way, like a little. There you go. There you go. That was better. It's hard when you don't have a lot of speed. There you go. You're getting it. There you go. So now you just got to get used to stopping without falling. Like, you don't want to lean your whole body back, just your heels. So boop. Like it's just the, slightest little bit like that. You know? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you want your knees bent, and then you can just kind of lean back or lean forward if you need to. There you go. Yep. Just like the slightest little pressure. There you go. There you go. You're getting the hang of it a little bit. Go to the top?
No, 1000% I will not.
All right, see it. So whenever you feel comfortable and like you've got that good, you can try to put your right foot forward a little bit, and then, okay.
Oh, it burns.
I told you. I told you so. You're doing a lot better. Huh? Yeah, so once you're ready and you're going like a good, you've gone a little bit, try and put your right foot forward. So as you're going, slide your right foot forward and your left foot back. And then do that for like a second. And then push your left foot forward and go back on your heels. So then you kind of get the like going and then slowing down and going and slowing down. That's the next step. Yep. Yeah, you are. That's okay. Willow actually did really well on her first few runs of the day, and she was learning quickly. All that snowboarding can wear you down, however, so she decided to reward her hard work with a snack break. While she relaxed and munched on some goldfish, I decided to do a run alone. Willow and I met up after to discuss a game plan. As the snow began to fall and the sun disappeared behind the mountains, we decided to do one final run together. Careful. Point your board left. You're just going for the hole. You gotta point it this way.
I pivoted a little bit.
Pivot!
Pivot! I like this. This is fun.
There you go. There you go.
There's so many divots on this side.
There you go. While Willow warmed the car up, I hopped on the lift and started my journey up the mountain. At that point, visibility was pretty low, and it honestly looked pretty eerie, but I was still excited. The trip was a lot of fun, and I really enjoyed teaching Willow how to snowboard. She did really well considering it was her first time, and I'm really proud of all the effort that she put in. Overall, it was a great day of memories that I will cherish forever. Before I leave you guys and let my final run play out, I just want to apologize for the lack of uploads in the past few months. It's been pretty difficult getting a travel channel off the ground during a global pandemic, and between travel restrictions and school, we really haven't been able to travel that much. With that said, we've made some exciting plans for this year, and I'm really excited to share them with all of you. We'll be announcing our plans on YouTube here in the next few months, so make sure you're subscribed if you'd like to join us on some of the amazing adventures that will be going on. Thank you for all the support, and with that, I leave you with my final run of the night, set to the song Lukewarm by one of my favorite up-and-coming artists, Erica Print. Thanks for watching. Mac got millies, but this kid just need 100 grand. Just some private to show my mama I really got it. Be screaming llama llama one day on a cruise show. Mood so elevated nowadays, picture that. Why she came and left, I never saw the point in that. I be needing cake, but who's catering? She working out, but we bout to add some weight again. Gon' leave this house, all the comfort getting to my head. It's coming soon, still don't know how I'ma pay the rent. Movie like Night Side, too many. Now I'm too good at these fights, I've been through plenty. Defusing the bombs though. Take my talents down to LA like I'm Lonzo. But that's some future shit I'm on though. I be feeling lukewarm, lukewarm, I'm lukewarm, lukewarm, I'm lukewarm, lukewarm, I'm lukewarm, lukewarm.
Now my head clearer than a motherfucker. Dropping hits, making mama and your daddy love us. It's transparent, just transferring the info. Bars above the head like a limbo. Don't give too many fucks to an info, huh? You ain't never gon' get it with me, you condescending. Shit pretty good on my side, bitch, the condescending. Feel like a comma movie, rainy days a major setting. Done talking, don't debate, cause they major petty. Plans acting like the moves from a PMS. Reason is, my thoughts flailing like a DNS. Thought I'm about to leave, but it's seeming I ain't ready yet. And see, probably thinks my mind's got up in my head. Fuck explaining, no inspiration coming from these faces, ho. Plotting on these mixtapes and videos, need these reps. 2018 and shit I stress, cause I ain't ever going back to that fucking mess. Wait up, yeah, now the dogs on the way